Right, let me know if you've had an experience like this. So you're trying to get more serious about your music, you're trying to write more frequently, trying to create good songs so that you can release an EP and maybe an album further down the line and build an audience. But every time you go to write, you feel unmotivated, you're not enjoying the process, and worst of all, you don't know what to write about. If this sounds like something you're struggling with or experiencing right now, then no stress. I've got 2 tips for you in this video that will help you get over this problem ASAP. And also, if you stay towards the end, I've got 2 bonus tips that help me deal with this every time without fail. So getting straight into it, the first thing I'm going to tell you is to get a target audience. You need to start writing to someone, talking to someone when you write your bars. This is the best way to get over writer's block. If you think about it in a way like you're trying to connect with people when you write your bars, when you write your songs, through actually focusing on what people want to listen to, what they want to see in your videos, what they after, what resonates with them, what pulls at their emotional, heartstrings. So for example, if you're trying to write to 18 to 25 year olds who go out every weekend and party, not every 18 to 25 year old does that, but if you're trying to write to the type of 18 to 25 year old that goes out to the weekend party, you might not want to focus on lyricism so much. You might want to focus on the theme of your song being fun, having a good time, vibe, drinking, smoking, chilling with friends, linking chicks, doing your thing, and so on and so forth. Whatever audience you're talking to, get to know what they're into, what they get up to, and write about that. That will connect with them. They'll think, oh damn, that's what I do, that resonates with me, let me listen to this guy, let me check out more of his music. And also, you obviously have a topic to write about every time. When you go to write these songs, I'd say pick a hook, right? Start with your hook, because obviously the verses aren't coming for you right now, you're having writer's block. So start with a hook, put a hook in place, and that hook, believe me, if you get that hook, all the cogs in your brain will start working and the verses will come together a lot easier. You finally have something to write about and say, because the hook is telling you what to write about, whether it's drinking, again, partying, whatever the hell audience that you're targeting likes to do. And the next tip, because following on from this hook tip, because you're trying to write a hook, spend time actually looking at instrumentals that you vibe with, actually finding an instrumental that makes your heart go boom, 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 boom. Makes your heart dance to the beat with it. Because if you're not interested in the instrumental you're writing to, you're not going to want to write bars, you're not going to be interested. One thing that really helps me is finding an instrumental that makes me think, damn, I need to jump on this, I need to leave my mark on this beat. So if you're just spending 5 minutes looking for a beat, oh, all these beats are shit, man, I can't find anything, spend a bit longer, right? Just put out time to find good beats. And this is another thing that helps me get motivated and inspired to write, whether it's the beat you heard from your favorite artist or it's just a beat that you find. Right, going on to the bonus tips. If you've stayed this long and this video is helping you out, leave a comment down below saying how it's helping you out, and leave a like, that will help me out. But the bonus tips being, you need to stop focusing too much on the negative aspects of yourself, right? You focus too much on the negative in yourself, basically, right? I'm not good enough, oh, my flow's too weak, I'm too boring, blah blah blah. Just shut the fuck up and write, right? If you're gonna get better, you need to write. You don't get better creating content if you're not making the content, right? Bottom line, it's that simple. So focusing too much on the negative in yourself, and get to writing, get to creating whatever content you're creating, and obviously you will get better. It's a no-brainer, right? And then the last bonus tip, and this one's been a game changer for myself, is to develop a consistent writing schedule. So once a month, once a week, on this day I'm gonna write a song. Easy, done. That commitment, you write it down, put a post-it note on the fridge, whatever the hell, stick to that commitment, and obviously you get more consistent. And now the more consistent you get, the more pieces you put together and the better you get. And when you do this, right, a bonus tip within the bonus tip, when you do this, look at your weaknesses. You know how I said don't look at too much negative in yourself. Don't look at that at the beginning, but when you get into this routine of writing consistently, then look at your weaknesses and look on how you can improve them. Go and the channel, look for videos that talk about whatever you're struggling with. Watch those videos. Go on other rap tutorial channels, look for videos that help you out, so on and so forth. Look to practice in that area that you're struggling with. And that would be it for this video. If these tips were of help to you, if there were something that you think you can use and apply outside of this, then apply it. I tell you to go out there and do this stuff. Like the video also, and if you're subscribed, thank you. And if you want more tips like this, consider checking out the Patreon. You'll be helping yourself and the channel out. You're helping me keep making content for you if it's something that you want. Well, with all that being said, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.